Hello, friends! Welcome to our learning time. Today, we are going to have fun with rhyming words. Do you know what rhyming words are? Rhyming words sound the same at the end, like cat and hat, or dog and log. Let's practice together. Let's match some rhyming words. Sun and fun. Car, star. Pen and hen. Tree, bee. Fish, dish. Great job! You're doing amazing. Now, let's try something different. Which word rhymes with fox? A. Sun. B. Box. C. Dog. Yes! Box rhymes with fox. Which word rhymes with cake? A. Snake. B. Chair. C. Moon. Yes! Cake rhymes with snake. Now, let's complete the sentence with the right rhyming word. The cat sat on a mat. B. Chair. C. Book. You got it! The cat sat on a mat. I see a bee in the A. Sky. B. Tree. C. Cup. Great job! I see a bee in the tree. Wow, you're learning so fast. Let's try a fun challenge. Think of your own rhyming words. Can you think of a word that rhymes with dog? What about a word that rhymes with bell? Say them out loud. You're doing great! Let's remember, rhyming words sound the same. They make reading fun. Keep practicing every day. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and rhyming. See you next time.